all day, and now is when he wants to play. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do my spring unboxing of Fab Fit Fun. As you guys know, I am a partner with Fab Fit Fun, so there will be a link in the description box below. I guess I'm just gonna have to play with them while I'm filming this, so that'll be fun. There's a link in the description box below, and I get a little bit of credit for it, and you guys get a little bit of money off for your first box, I believe. So basically FabFitFun, it's $49.99 a month. That's what I pay for my boxes. I pay for all of my boxes. You get 4 boxes a year. They're like seasonal boxes, so you get summer, fall, winter, and spring. This is the spring box. I haven't even opened it. It's been literally sitting on my floor for... I haven't even opened it. It's been sitting on my floor for like 2 weeks now, and it's been eating me alive, but everything's been so crazy lately. So, and I'm like a gardener now. Not really, but kind of, because I can eat the things I'm growing. But it's been taking up a lot of my time, and I've been doing so many projects outside, and I just was like, oh my god, I'll do it tomorrow, oh my god, I'll do it tomorrow, and then I had more things to plant, and it's like consumed all of my time. So I'm back with an unboxing. Here we go. Let's get into it. I'm excited. I've watched a few videos, so I kind of know what's in some of the boxes, but I don't know like what's gonna be in my box because I don't ever customize mine. So we all shall see. Willie, watch out, you're gonna get stabbed. All right. Okay. Oh, that's cute. All right, so you've got your little magazine. It tells you what the prices are, what's like, how to use your products every day, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna whoop this dog's butt. And then they always have like some ads and like discounts for different things in here too, which is always really nice of them. So this is the box. All right. All right, so it's full. It's full of stuff. I don't even know if you guys can see, but we're gonna, Willie, you're not supposed to eat that. It's full of stuff. We're gonna get into it and see what everything is. So first things first, I'm kind of excited about what I see in here, but anyway. Okay, first things first, this Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara, Volume and Length Mascara. I've heard really, really awesome things about this actually. I don't think my camera's gonna focus on it. I've heard really good things about this mascara. Willie, this isn't your box. So I'm excited to try that. And then there is Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. So I would guess this is just kind of like the wet brushes, except a different brand. It's really pretty. It's like a beautiful rose gold color. It's literally like a mirror. I could literally do my makeup in the back of this brush. But it just looks like a normal hairbrush with a really nice color to it. So I will see. I'm not a huge fan of using brushes. I always use a comb, and I comb my hair in the shower too. So I use combs really, but we'll try the brush out and see how it goes. And it's in this cute little bag here too. We've also got Deep Sleep Body Cocoon by This Works. It's a multitasking beauty sleep savior for for better nights and brighter mornings. When to use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. How? A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cranberry, and camellia What is this? Something oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Why? Support sleep and skin wellness at night with a 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. All right. Well, this is a cute little thing, so I'm excited to try that. Anything that helps me sleep better is like something I'm so here for. Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. This is exciting. I don't really have a whole lot of setting sprays right now or finishing sprays right now, so I'm here for this. I'm gonna tell you guys how much everything is because I'm a good YouTuber and a good Fab Fit Fun partner. Okay. Stop eating everything. All right, that Dream Sleep Body Cocoon that I just showed you guys, retails 6A is for $40. So I pretty much I've already gotten my So the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon that I just showed you guys, it retails for $40. So I pretty much have already gotten like my value of my box back just with this one item, shy of $9.99, 10 bucks, which is fantastic. I'm not even mad about it. So let's see what else I have. Okay, Mile High Club Wander mascara retail 7B is $26. So honestly, that's such a good deal already. I'm like, what more could you even want? And I don't know where the hairbrush is. I can't find the hairbrush and I can't find the Scandinavia spray. Oh, hairbrush 4A. The hairbrush is $35 retail. Which is, that's expensive for a hairbrush. Huh. Anyway, definitely don't know where the Scandinavia spray is, and I'm pretty sure I've heard that in a few other videos that they couldn't find the Scandinavia spray, so I'm not gonna really worry about it. I also have this Amber Skeets necklace. It's like a little layered necklace. It's super duper cute. I don't know, I think it's just like a pattern on it. It's really, really cute. The necklace retails 3A for $50. So that's freaking crazy. Oh my God, what is this? Is this clothing? Do I have clothing in my box? Shut up. This is how I felt when I got that faux fur blanket like 2 boxes ago. I didn't film that unboxing, but 2 boxes ago. Oh no, I did film that unboxing. It was 1 box ago. I got that faux fur blanket and I was like, a blanket? Are you kidding me? A blanket? A blanket? It was freaking amazing. It's still one of my favorite blankets, by the way. Okay, so what is this? A little sweater? Oh my God, it is. So it just must be like a one size fits all, and it's like a little 3/4 length sleeve. It's like slightly striped, nothing crazy. And it's just like gray, I think gray and white, or gray and light gray. But it is really cute. I would try it on, but I have like a chunky sweatshirt on. It's really lightweight, so I feel like I will really love this. It has cute little pockets here too, which is awesome. Retail on that is $99. Huh. I'm gonna have to look at this brand. It's a Donnie. Donnie's the brand. I've never heard of that brand, but fantastic. I've also got some thermal spring water for sensitive skin. What is this? What is this? Thermal skin water. Am I blind? I can't find anything in this magazine here. Oh, here it is. 8C. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. So it's kind of like a rose water type of thing. So that's cute. Oh, and that retails for $14. Nothing crazy. So if I like it, it won't kill me to buy it again, which is always a good thing. Sometimes I get these products in here and I'm so scared that I'm gonna love them that I'm like, please don't be $100. Okay, and then the last thing that's in here is packing cubes, which I saw these were on like the, I don't know, like I guess one of the items you can get. And I already have packing cubes, so I really should, excuse you. So I really should have, no. That's a bad boy. He's walking away with my body cocoon. This is good stuff, Willie. Anyway, I saw the packing cubes. They're really, honestly, they're super cute. They're like these lemon, I think they're literally called like lemonade packing cubes or something. I don't know, maybe I made it up, but that's what they remind me of. They're really cute. It's a set of 3, small, medium, and large. But I definitely was like not wanting the packing cubes because I already own packing cubes. So I definitely should have probably customized this box. That's the only thing I'm a little disappointed in, but it's my own fault because I know that it's random, and if I don't customize, I don't customize. So my own fault. They're super duper cute. Maybe I'll save them for like a giveaway, or I'll give them to like a friend of mine or my mom or something like that next time I see her. Or maybe I'll give Reed my old packing cubes and I can use these. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm sure they'll get to good use. But that is it, you guys. So the packing cubes, let me let you know what those retail for. Let me get out of my way. Those retail for, where art thou? I don't know where they are. Oh, here they are. 2A oh, they're sorbet or tutti frutti. So I was close. It's fruity, lemonade, you know, it's fine. But anyway, they retail for $40, which is pretty typical, I feel like, of packing cubes, unless you get them at like TJ Maxx or something, which is totally where I would suggest getting them from. Unless you have a deep love, like some people are super like die-hard Calpac people. So if that's you, get these. They are really cute and they are huge. Like the large is huge. So that's really cool too. But I hope you guys liked this little unboxing video. Let me know down in the comments if you are getting any FabFitFun boxes, what your favorite item was. And don't forget to leave the link in my description box to get you yours with a little money off. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video before you leave, subscribe, and come hang out with us next time. Okay, bye. You say bye. You say bye. Oh, it's a puppy. All right, bye you guys.